forest.
Woo! Woohoo!
We'll have to round up the scoops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing.
That's enough for today. We should probably hang out. Pick us up later. The boats will take it.
Arthur warned me about those points. I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his points. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like he lost power. Oh, I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Was great shakes at my take.
Oh!
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solen after me. Lumos Solen.
Woo, that was close. Oh, you found my missing streets. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well,
Damn it, I missed the picture. Terrible
there's
picture.
a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.